let's talk about our most popular eye product that is so universal, good for all skin types, Youth Eye Complex.
Yes.
When do you use Youth Eye Complex? How do you feel when you don't have Youth Eye Complex?
So Youth Eye Complex is a staple. I always say a lot of times people forget about the eye area because sometimes that's an area that they're maybe not seeing the signs of aging yet. But the eye skin is the thinnest on the body, and it's an area that we actually really need to focus on, whether you see the aging or not, because at some point you're gonna see it. So I always say you wanna always prevent versus try to treat after you see the signs of aging. So I get my youngest clients on it. I mean, it's just as important to me as a cleanser and a sunscreen for people. As they age, they're definitely gonna at some point see the signs of aging, so we wanna be preventing it. I love this product because you can use it for every single skin tone, every single skin type. It doesn't pill under makeup, which is great because a lot of people get turned off by eye products because of that. And it's just helping with the circulation there. It's helping to brighten. It's helping with fine lines and wrinkles. So there's no reason not to use it. Quick little step. I do it first thing after my cleansing and toning step. Then I go into my eye cream.
Yeah. And why do you do that?
Yeah, so if we're using anything active, so anything that maybe has an acid in it, we don't want that to get to the eye area.
Yeah.
So putting your eye cream on first is like creating a little barrier so that things that aren't intended for the eye area don't go there.
Yeah.
A lot of times people will try an eye product and they'll be like, my eyes didn't like it. I got teary, you know, I had a sting. And it's like, no, it's because you had residue from another product on your fingers.
Right.
So if you educate your clients to use their eye product first, they're not gonna have any issue with that. And with this product, it's really, really safe and it's gentle. So they shouldn't have any sensitivity.
Yes, the Youth Eye Complex is 100% regenerative. There's no alpha hydroxy acids in it. There's no exfoliants. And we do that very intentional because the eye area is so delicate and very easily irritated. We wanted a safe ocular product. So you can use it both on the lower and upper orbital bone. And I will tell you, what I notice the most about Youth Eye Complex is when I don't have it.
Yeah.
Because it's like no joke. If I don't have my youth eye, like I can see my fine lines and wrinkles so much more predominantly. It provides that instant gratification with the hyaluronic acid. So it plumps the fine lines and makes such a beautiful, youthful eye area. Men love youth eye as well. Men love it.
Absolutely. I think eye cream is one of the biggest selling SKUs for men. That's an area on men that I see age first. So a lot of times guys will be like, yeah, I need an eye cream for sure. And you do see that instant plumping effect. It kind of just softens any expression lines. Another thing I like to do is if I have a little residue left, I will tap it into like a nasolabial fold. Really great for vertical lip lines. So if you have the extra left over in your fingers, don't just wipe it off, like put it in your skin. So any areas of expression will truly benefit from this product.
Yeah, oh, I love it. An unsung hero in the eye category with Is Clinical is the CI Advance Plus. The CI Advance Plus was literally my lifesaver when I had an infant at home. And I was never sleeping, breastfeeding, you know, all the things. And I was completely like, you know, I was like, you know, a self-sacrifice, right? To my young little baby. And my eye area was the first thing that I noticed. The, you know, just the deprivation of sleep and all of the taxing on the body. That CI Advance Plus, it's like brightened up my eye area. And I never don't have this on my bathroom counter because of that. It just brightens up the eye area. I kind of think of CI Advance Plus, think of it as super serum, but for the eyes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And I think we stress so much the importance of protecting the skin from the sun and from the environmental factors. So like, I think it's pretty much ingrained in people now that they need an antioxidant serum. But what about the eyes? Again, the eyes are so delicate and they're an area that once they start to age, the process is really quick. So if we're providing that antioxidant protection to the eye area, you're definitely gonna see a brighter, more unified eye area. It's not gonna be so stark in contrast with the rest of the face. We want everything to gradually age together. So giving the skin the extra love, those really great ingredients to just keep the skin bright and softer. It's one of those products that I love and I like to layer them. So I'll put the Eye Serum on first, followed by the Youth Eye Complex, and it's like a home run.
Yes, it is, absolutely. And the other thing is it is a very economical product as well. So as far as application with the CI Advance Plus, I put one drop on the back of my hand and then I just dab it all around the eye area. One drop is enough product to treat both eyes. So if you look at, even though it's a little tiny bottle, it lasts forever. And so if somebody is on a budget, they want an eye product, and maybe let's say youth eye is a little out of their price range, you can recommend the CI Advance Plus. Or let's say somebody, the eye area is their main concern. I'm recommending both the CI and the youth eye as a package duo. And so when I use that CI, what I also feel is an instant tightness. Do you feel that when you apply it?
Yes, there's definitely a firming aspect to it. I definitely see things look a little bit tighter and brighter. So it's one of those home run products that everybody's gonna see a visual change in the skin instantly. So once people try it, they're hooked.
Yeah. Also, if dark circles are somebody's main concern, dark circles are extremely difficult to treat. CI Advance Plus is really good for the brightening area of the eye. This has been lovely. I love talking skincare with you.
Same.
I hope you learned something new and got motivated to try a new Is Clinical product.